projected all around. People saying Bolt, Powell, Blake.
This is feeling more like the Olympic finals. A lot of people possibly can't look. They don't want to watch. They're waiting for the gun. They're anticipating all kinds of emotion going on right now.
Powell is in 3. Bolt is in 5. Blake is in 7. So some distance between those key runners.
Set.
Up they go. Powell is up well. Bolt has work to do. Powell is ahead of Bolt and the rest of the field. A stop for Powell. Blake comes forward on the outside. Johan Blake wins. Bolt looks to be second. Powell looks to be third. Johan Blake dismisses his team semi-final performance and dismisses the field in 9.72, the fastest time he has ever run. The world champion stamps his class on the 100-meter field in Jamaica. Johan Blake delivers the big one. Bolt is beaten.
I think the stadium is in shock right now. The people, if you look at their faces, they cannot believe that Usain Bolt was just beaten in the National Stadium. Again, he did not get a good start. His start has been bothering him all season. And we look here, Asafa Powell is ahead, looking really good. But Johan Blake, you're not seeing him right now on the screen. Here he comes on the right-hand side of the screen, really pushing forward. Usain really trying to get there, looking over to his left, but